Hi car friends, I'm Tiffany with AutoZone, and I'm going to show you some signs that tell you when you need to replace your wipers. Without wipers, staying safe on the road would be impossible. You couldn't see, and it would be a mess. So that's why it's important that you watch for this. Take a very good look at the rubber on your wiper blade. It should be in one solid piece. The wear and tear from the elements can make those blades cracked and brittle, and that will impact the performance. The squeaking noise is annoying, but it's also another sign that your blades are going. A chattering sound, which indicates the blade is worn across the glass, is a very bad sign. There's a few reasons why your blade might not be making enough contact with your windshield, but the number one reason has to do with the adhesive that holds that blade to the frame. When that fails, it makes the blades flop around because it's only partially held down. Wiper blades with torn rubber will also cause the same type of problem, and it will only get worse. A streaky windshield is a very obvious sign that you need new blades. A little streaking is normal, but constant streaking, even after spraying with fluid, is a sign that your current wipers are on their way out. And that's what you need to know. If you think your blades are wearing out, head over to your AutoZone this fall. And for more tips, be sure to like and subscribe.